Well, this is Saurabh, and I welcome you to another video in this YouTube training series. And today I'm very excited to tell you about how you can upload a video on your channel which you have created. So if you don't know me, then my name is Saurabh and my passion is to help you build your influence using online marketing. So in this video, I'll be giving you the exact step-by-step process as to how you need to upload a video on YouTube, what all things you need to take care of in terms of a description, in terms of title, the different elements like the card and the end screen elements. So make sure that you stick towards the end of the video, as you don't want to miss out any of the thing which I'm going to tell you. So without a further ado, let's just dive straight into the training. Now we are ready to move to the next step. That's right, I'm about to show you how to set up a sales oriented video. I know you have been anticipating this lesson because video is where the meat is and your expectations are right. Because I'm going to show you not only how to upload the video but also how to apply optimizations that will help you attract viewers and convert. Let's start off by uploading your video. By this point you should have a video ready to publish. So go to YouTube homepage while logged into your channel and click on the profile menu button, and then click on the YouTube Studio option in the menu. Once on the YouTube Studio dashboard, click on the Create button and then click on Upload Videos, and from here select Files and then select the file on your desktop or computer and then double click on it. And it will start uploading, and you can continue the job by customizing it and adding your optimizations. So let's start by composing the video title in the title field. Here you are going to type the title of your video. So don't try to be too original. Simply describe the content of the video and add keywords or the search term that best describe that content well, like we are doing in this example. As you can see, we have added one of the top search terms we found during our keyword research. And you can also add the name of your business at the end of the title to distinguish it from the other videos on the search page. Alright, now it's time to compose the video description in the description field. Again, the secret here is to add a brief summary of the content in your video filled with keywords and search terms. Here, you are not restricted by the space, so we recommend you to add from 3 to 5 keywords and search terms, the ones that are most relevant to the video. It is also important that you add an action URL with a call to action at the end of the description. As you can see here, what I've done, I've given a call to action to grabbing my lead magnet. This is just an example which I'm showing you. It's not related to the video which we are uploading. That way you can instruct viewers to click on the URL to discover a product or offer at a given point during the video. And they will simply have to scroll down a bit and click where they are still engaged. Now click on Upload Thumbnail to upload a custom thumbnail for your video. Always add custom thumbnails to your videos instead of using a segment of your video as thumbnail. And you can easily create these thumbnails from canva.com. So for this video purpose, let me just select a thumbnail. Again, this is just an example which I'm showing you. And next, you have to select No, it is not made for kids, and click on More Options. Here are additional configurations that you are going to do. So first, insert your keywords and search terms in the tags field. Next, select the language of your video. Now click on the category menu button and select the correct category for your video. Okay, and let's click on Next to move to the next step. Now it's time to add video elements to your video. There are two types of video elements you can add. End screen are the elements that you can add at the end of the video, and cards are the elements that you can add during the video. These elements are on-screen buttons that you can use as call to actions to encourage viewers to complete an action during or at the end of the video. Let's show you a quick example. Let's add a subscribe call to action and recommended video card at the end of the video. For this, click on add button corresponding to add an end screen. Once on the end screen window, click on the plus element. Next, click on the subscribe option. The editor will insert the subscribe card at a point near the end of your video, but you can select a different time as well. Now click on the plus element and select video. Now select the best viewer option and then click on save. Awesome job. Once you are done adding your video elements, click on next to continue. On the following window, select the public option and then click on publish button. And that will be it. You can copy the video link provided by YouTube to share your video on your other social channels. But you can hold on to this for a bit because I'll be showing you how to share and embed your video in a couple of upcoming lessons. So stay tuned. So if you got some value, please make sure to like this video and also put a comment. I would love to go through your comments and reply to all of them. And if you want to learn more strategies to get started with online business and make money online, please make sure that you're subscribed to the channel as well. And lastly, if you want to make more money using different strategies, please make sure to click on the link in the description down below and I will see you on the other side.